Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and you guys, do you know I have something here in my hand? You know what these are? These are your very last math books. Isn't that exciting? One more math book for the year, and then you're going to be done. But you're not quite done with your math book that you have now. We have lesson 15 today. So lesson 15 today, and then you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You have 5 days of vacation over Easter time. And then on Tuesday you come back, get back to school, and have a math test. So I did not send a study sheet I did not send a study sheet home. So I'll either text something to your moms, or else you can use your book to study to get ready. So I'll try to get something around for you. So we have lesson 15 is what we're ready for today. A note for you: if you have not done your math corrections yet, please stop the video and go do your math corrections before you do the video. And make sure you're looking all over your pages for the things you had wrong. Don't forget to look over the whole page. Sometimes some of you you're doing some of your corrections on a page, but then you're still missing some. So try to look over the whole page. All right. Recently in a lesson, you guys learned how to subtract when we can just subtract the numbers in the ones place of a bigger number. We're doing mental math, and mental means using your brain, okay? So if I am doing mental math, if I do something mentally, I'm doing it in my mind. So we can subtract bigger numbers like this by doing a little bit of the math in our minds, and then it helps us to know to come up with the answer for the bigger math fact. So when we subtract tens, when there's our zeros in the ones place, there's both zeros here, we can subtract the numbers that are in the tens place. Just like you guys have been adding the numbers in the tens place, now we're just subtracting them. So it's just the opposite. Subtracting to find the difference. So we think to ourselves, well, 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? So 7 minus 5 is 2. So if 7 minus 5 is 2, then 70 minus 50 is, what goes in the tens place? We already subtracted the numbers in the tens place, right? So 2 goes in the tens place, and then we put a 0 in the ones place. So 70 minus 50 is 20. So we'll do another one. And your problems are going to be set up a little more like this in your books. So 80 minus 30. So I think to myself, 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? It's 5. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. So 80 minus 30, what goes in the tens place? We subtracted from the tens place 8 minus 3. So 5 goes in the tens place, and 0 goes in the ones place. So 80 minus 30 is 50. So we can do this with subtracting hundreds as well. 900 minus 300 is, well, just subtract the hundreds, because we have zeros in the ones and the tens places in both numbers, so we just subtract the hundreds. So we say 9 minus 3, so we think to ourselves, well, 9 minus 3 is 6. So 900 minus 300, what goes in the hundreds place? 6. 900 minus 300, and then we put a 0 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. So 900 minus 300 is 600. Let's do another one. 600 minus 200. So subtract the numbers in the hundreds place. So I think 6 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So 600 minus 200 equals, what goes in the hundreds place? We have 6 minus 2, so 4 goes in the hundreds place, and then we just add a 0 for the tens place and a 0 for the ones place. 600 minus 200 is 400. That's your lesson for today. Just going along the same things that you have been learning already with doing mental math. You guys are doing well. Pay attention to your directions. Sometimes I think some of you don't, sometimes we don't always read directions because we think we know what we need to do, but sometimes the directions are actually telling us to do something different than we think we know what we're supposed to do. Okay, so make sure you're reading your directions. And anything else to tell you today? Okay, I think that is all, except for I miss you guys a lot. Miss seeing you and having you in my class. And I hope you guys have a good vacation. Enjoy your break from school. And Lord willing, I will talk to you again on Tuesday.